Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the YLL peel and stick headboard, a versatile and stylish solution for your walls. This gray upholstered headboard is crafted from high-quality artificial leather, making it waterproof, stain-resistant, and easy to clean, while its thickened high-elastic sponge interior offers a plush, comfortable backrest with excellent anti-collision performance. Perfect for a variety of settings, from recording rooms and conference rooms to home theaters and children's entertainment areas, these panels provide impressive sound insulation and safety features. Installation is a breeze with the included strong adhesive tape, allowing you to easily secure the panels to your wall, and for added stability, you can apply additional construction adhesive. Each pack contains 10 panels, each measuring 15.35 by 7.67 by 1.2 inches, so you can mix and match colors to create a unique, layered look that suits your space. Whether you're looking to enhance your bedroom, office, or any other room, these panels offer both functionality and aesthetic appeal. If you have any questions, our dedicated customer service team is ready to assist you, ensuring your satisfaction with this fantastic product. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.